But, John, I'll tell you what my major concern is right now, what I'm hearing from people all over Vermont and all over this country, is during the campaign, Mr. Trump made some promises. And what people want to know is he's going to keep the campaign promises that he made. He said, I, Donald Trump, am not going to cut Social Security. I'm not going to cut Medicare. I'm not going to cut Medicaid. And yet we're seeing Republicans in the Congress coming forward with devastating plans to cut Social Security, to cut Medicare. And I challenge Mr. Trump today. Tell the American people you're going to keep your campaign promises. Tell the Republicans to back off. No cuts to Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid, and go forward with your campaign promise to lower the cost of prescription drugs.
But these promises or these ideas that are being floated by Republicans, as you point out, are not coming from Donald Trump himself. So you still give him the benefit of the doubt on that.
Well, but I think it's important when you appoint somebody like Congressman Price to be head of Health and Human Services agency, who has spent his career in trying to cut or privatize Medicare. I mean, that's not a good signal to send. So I think all that Mr. Trump has got to do today is to tell his Republican colleagues in the House and the Senate, back off, it ain't going to go anywhere. I'm going to veto any legislation that will cut Social Security because I promised the American people that I would not do that. Look, we have people watching this program right now. We got disabled veterans watching this program right now who are trying to get by on $12,000, $13,000 a year in Social Security. And they are frightened about cuts to Social Security. My view is we have got to expand Social Security benefits by lifting the cap on taxable income. If we do that, we can extend Social Security for 50 years. Only the top 1.5% of people in this country will pay more in taxes. That's the right thing to do. But at the very least, President-elect Trump has got to reassure the American people he's going to keep his promises.